Okay, so now that we're done with our quiz, we're going to go through and review the verb ear and talk about the different forms of our verb ear. And then we are going to do an activity, so I'll explain what we're going to do. So let's first go through our forms of ear. To review that, it's to go. What is the yo form?
To go.
Boy, right? I go. What's the to form? Vas. Good. The L-A usted? Va, to say he goes or she goes. How about nosotros? Vamos. Ellos y las ustedes? Van. Okay, so that's how you would use go. I go, you go, he or she goes, we go, and they go. What we're going to talk about the next few days is how to say that you're going to do something, and you're going to add some things to voy, vas, va, vamos, or van. Okay, so let me show you this. You're going to take and add an a to it. You've seen it a little bit, but we haven't really practiced with it yet. We're going to add an a to it, and then we're going to add a verb in the infinitive to say that something is going to happen. Infinitive. Oops. So we're going to add one of these conjugated form of ear to an a to a non-conjugated form of a verb, like hablar, like escuchar, okay, like mirar, or jugar, okay? Those would be examples of what you would say. So you're going to say that you're going to do something, going to talk, going to listen, going to look at or watch, going to play, okay? So here's the fun part. This is what we get to do. You're going to think of something you're going to do this weekend or even next week, okay? Because this is called the simple future, when you're going to do something. And you're going to think of a phrase with that, voy a, and then choose a verb that you know how to say. And we are going to go outside and write our sentence on the sidewalk outside. So you're going to take a piece of chalk. I have more chalk for us. You're going to take a piece of chalk. We're going to go outside for the last like 15 minutes of class here, 15, 20 minutes, and probably won't even take that long. And we're going to write on the sidewalk. Sound fun? Okay. Yeah, so the first thing we're going to do before we go outside is you're going to think of what you want to say. If you need to write it down, you can. It's up to you. But you're just going to think of something you're going to do this weekend, and you're going to use the yo form of this and pair it with what you are going to do, and you're going to write that sentence on the sidewalk. Okay? Yes?
Is dance experience like follow or something?
Bailar.
Bailar.
Yep. Dance.